Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is on the Evolution 10-inch fine finish wood cutting blade. And I am very excited that I received this product because I have numerous woodworking projects coming up. Also, we'll be installing this blade on Evolution's multi-material table saw. Let's go into the workshop. Here's Evolution's table saw. I'm also doing an unboxing and assembly video on this table saw. I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. Now let's open up our package. Yeah, so you want to be very careful handling this because it is extremely sharp. So this 10-inch fine wood cutting saw blade features 60 tungsten carbide tip teeth. Its design is to deliver the smoothest, sharpest cuts in sheets of plywood and hardwood. This fine wood cutting blade has been made possible by optimizing the geometry of every tooth, adjusting tooth pitch, offset, taper, and top profile. It's also great for hardwood, spot on for cross cuts. This Evolution fine wood cutting blade is supposed to be the best on the market right now for its long-lasting life as well. Here at the Handyman Land, we're going to put this to the test. One thing's for sure is that I could barely even get this off the table because it's so sharp. If I try to slide it back and forth, it feels as though it just wants to slice up my table. Evolution also states they only use the highest grade of carbide to provide us with the sharpest teeth. Tomorrow, we're going to put this blade to the test. It's the next morning and it's time to install our blade. Let's remove our access plate with this same tool, put it in the groove, unlock it. Lift up, pull out. It has two little tabs on the back end. Just so you know, this is plastic. Now let's turn our bevel adjustment hand wheel. Here's what we're working with. Right here is our riving knife, which is held by this bolt right here. If you need to make adjustments, loosen the bolt and your riving knife will raise upward. I don't see the option to be able to adjust it side to side. I guess you can add shims for whatever reason if you need to. So there I loosened the riving knife, as you can see. It's how high it raises. What we have here is the two large washers and a bolt. So for this washer, you can see your tool fits perfect. Then your other on the bolt. Here's a closer look of our bolt, our washer that's keyed to this arbor. Now just looking at this design, with this arbor and the spacing here, you're not going to be able to install a dado stack on this. It's not that type of table saw, because this table saw not only cuts wood, it cuts metal. Here's our other washer. This side is the 5/8. This side is your 1 inch. The center of our Evolution blade is 1 inch. As you can see on my calipers, 1 inch. Here's the 1 inch side of our washer. Fits perfect. Our arbor is 5/8, so you can definitely install 5/8 blades on here. When facing the table saw, to install our evolution blade, you want the face of your 1 inch side, you can see, facing outward. Put it in, like so. You want your evolution blade, the teeth facing you. Line it up, like so. Get your other washer and install it. Get your bolt, get it in there. Try not to drop it. Get your big wrench. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but our raving knife is on the money. Oh yeah. Place your access panel back on. Don't forget to lock it. I made another adjustment. My raving knife was way too close to the teeth of my blade. We are plugged in. Let's turn it on. On the back side of your Evolution blade package, you can go ahead and scan the QR code. This will take you to a video on how to get more cuts out of your blade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 60-degree miter cut on some pressure treated wood. We have a nice clean cut straight through. Don't forget to unloosen your miter saw so it can continue passing the blade. You can see from this angle what I mean by that. It's a nice clean cut. That's our 60-degree. Okay, let's put this part back. Now we have our blade set to a 45. 45. Here's my 45 cut. Yeah, look good. Here I have some hard milled wood from a down tree. This has been drying for about 5 years now. I'll be taking 20 inches off of this, So we will be using this for shelving. So let's see. We are nice and squared. Nice and squared. Beautiful. This project here, I'm waiting on some epoxy. Then I'll send it through a joiner and then a planer. I believe it's going to be about 5 of these for a cabin. Now, what do I think about the blade? I love it. It gives me that fine finished look that I'm looking for. Just look at that. When I'm done with this project, this is going to be a beautiful piece. Here's another look at that 45 cut. Stay tuned because I will eventually make a video on the Evolution R255 blade. I will also make a video on the Evolution table saw. If it's been released, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. Evolution sent me this 10-inch 60T fine wood cutting saw blade to do a review video, and I'm extremely impressed with their product. They're definitely selling here a high quality blade. And in doing this video, they're giving my viewers 5% off their products. We're using this promo code, all caps, Handyman. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. But stay tuned because I have many more videos coming soon.